Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the VerifyFitPro application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the VerifyFitPro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, find the option called Alarm Alert and tap on it. And here we can set up the alarm clock. If you want to add the alarm, simply tap on Add Alarm list and it's gonna add this alarm right here. And if you want to edit this alarm, you can tap on it and here we can adjust the values. We can tap on Alert and change the description or tag for the alert. Then we can tap on Repeat and here we can select on which days the alarm should be repeating. And you can select or unselect the days by tapping on them. So for example, I'm gonna select Monday and Thursday. And then we can tap on Time and here we can adjust the time on which the alarm should go off. So we can change the hours, minutes and the AM and PM. Once you're done, tap on the check mark to save the settings and here we have our alarm. You can turn it on or turn it off. And of course, once you're done setting up your alarms, remember to tap on the check mark icon right here to save the settings before you exit the app. And once you save the settings, you can wake up the screen on your watch. And once you open the menu by swiping left on the screen and tap on the alarms, you will see your alarm right here. And you can turn them on or off by tapping on the alarm right here. You can also remove the alarms. To do it, you need to go back to the app, tap on Alarm Alert, find the alarm you want to remove, swipe left on it, tap on Delete, tap on the check mark to save the settings. Like this. And once you open the alarm menu on your watch, you will see that the alarm is gone. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.